Hi friends, I am going to teach you percentage topic. So question number 1 is today. If x is 20% more than y and y is 25% less than 500, then x is equal to. There are given 4 options. Option A is 300, option B is 350, option C is 400, option D is 450. If x is 20% more than y but y value is not given and y is 25% less than 500. Now see here, first of all we need to know what is y value. So y is equal to 500 minus 25% less means minus of 500, right? This is y value. So y is equal to 500 minus 25% means by 100 of multiply 500. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. So y is equal to 500 minus 25 into 5 will be 125. So y is equal to 375. Now we have y value. Our target to find what is x value. So x is equal to 375, 20% more than y value. So plus 20% of 375, right? So now see here, x is equal to 375 plus 10% of this number will be 37.5. So 37.5 plus 37.5 will be 75, right? So x is equal to 375 plus 75 will be 450. So option D is the correct answer, right? See here once again, if x is 20% more than y, our target to find what is, first of all our target to find what is y value. Y is 25% less than 500. So y value will be 500 minus 25% of 500, right? So y is equal to 500 minus 25% of 500. So y is equal to 500 minus 125. So y is equal to 375. Now x is 375 plus more than 20% of 375. So x is equal to 450. So our answer is 455, means option D is the correct answer. Move to next question. Question number 2. The expenses of a worker are 70% of his salary. If the total expenses of the worker are Rs 8,400, then what is his salary? Option A is 10,000, option B is 12,000, option C is 14,000, option D is 16,000. Now see here, the expenses of a worker are 70%. His expenses is 70%. Worker expenses is 70%, right? But in the real value his expenses is 8,400, means 70% is equal to 8,400. Both are expenses. This is in percent but this is in real value. So we can say 70% is equal to 8,400. Our target to find what is his salary, means what is 100%. Now see here, 70% is equal to 8,400. So 0 and 0 cancel. 7 12 ja 84. So 120. 1% is equal to 120. Our target to find what is 100%. So 100% will be 1 into 100 will be 100. So 100% is equal to 120 into 100. 120 into 100 will be 100% is equal to 12,000. So his salary is 12,000. His expenses is 70%. In real amount his expenses is 8,400. Our target to find what is his salary, means what is his 100%. So 1% is equal to 120. 100% will be 120 into 100. So his salary is 12,000. Which option is the correct answer? Option B is the correct answer. Move to next question. Question number 3. The population of a town decreases 20% every year. If its present population is 8,850, then what will be its population after 1 year? If right now population is 8,850, so after 1 year decrease minus will be 20%. So now see here, we have 4 options. Option A is 4,000, option B is 4,200, option C is 4,632, and option D is 4,250. The population is currently 8,000. Current population is 8,850. Current population is 8,850. After 1 year decrease 20% of 8,850. 8,850. So after 1 year population will be minus 20 by 100 into 8,850. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 2 1 2, 2 5 10, 5 1 5, remaining 3. So 38, 5 7 35, 35. Again 5 7 35 and 0. So 8,850 minus 1770. So 0, 8 and 0. So our answer is 7,080. Next year population will be 70-80. Right? So I think all options are wrong. Its answer is 70-80. Right? Move to next question. Question number 4. The population of a village increase 5% annually. If its present population is 4,410, then what was its before 1 year? We have 4 options. Option A is 4,000, option B is 4,200, option C is 4,632, option D is 4,250. So now see here, population every year increases 5%. Before 1 year what was the population? So after increase, right now population is 4,410. 4,410. This is after increases population. So we can say 100% plus 5%. So 4,410 is equal to 105%, right? So 21 into 5 will be 105, and 21 square is 41. So 210 is equal to 5%. 1% is equal to 5 4 ja 22. Sorry, 5 4 ja 20, and 5 2 ja 10. So 1% is equal to 42. Our target to find what is 100%. This is after increases 105. So 100% will be 42 into 100. So before 1 year population was 4,200. Right, so thanks for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thanks.